Hey guys, in this video I will tell you how you can make a global changes to your presentation. While you are working on any presentation, it's really important your presentation should have consistency in terms of font, in terms of colors, in terms of layouts, and so on. Editing your slide one by one is super time consuming. If you want to change your entire presentation, there are certain things that you should do. Let me just give you an example. Let me just go to the slide number 3. In this slide, we have a content text matter. If you have noticed, the font type on this, the one which I've selected, is Times New Roman, wherein the other font type is Calibri. And if you see the title, it is Seago. Let's say, for example, my standard font which I need to continue throughout the presentation, or I need one consistent font for my presentation, and my standard font is Seago. So what I will do to change all my font in this slide, I'll go to Home. I'll go to replace. You see there is an option called replace font. I'll click on that. I'll select Times New Roman. I want to replace Times New Roman with Seago. That is the standard font which I'm using for my presentation. So I'll say and say replace. And I'll say close. If you have noticed, now the Times New Roman has been changed to Seago UI. Okay, wherein in Calibri it has not been changed. So what I'll do, I'll click again the same option, and I'll again select here replace Calibri with, again I'll type on keyboard, I'll select this and I'll say replace. Now if you have seen, all my font has been replaced to Seago UI. You see? Alright. So this is one step that you should do. The other step, let's say for example, again I'm taking an example of font. You have to go to drawing tab, okay, go to variants. You see a font, go and click on customize font here. Okay, now you can set your heading font as well as body font here, and click, you name your font type or font theme. Probably, let's say for example, if I want to name this font theme, let's say ABC standard colors, standard fonts, sorry, ABC standard fonts, and I'll click on save. Okay, once you click on save, all the font which are there will be changed to the font you have selected over here. Alright guys, so we know how we can replace the font in the entire presentation or on the particular slides through various options. One is to going through home, replace font. The other is going to design, where you can customize your font, okay, and set your customized font, give them a name and save it as your theme font. Alright guys, so we have learned about the font, how we can replace the font and make it consistency globally across the presentation. The next step is to change the color of the theme. Now assume this is the standard colors that I am using for my presentation, and I want my color palette to be, or any object which is there on the slide should be of this color. Here is an example of the slide which I have taken from other presentation and I have copied and pasted here. Okay. Now if you notice, the color is different because this is not as per our standard color. So what I will do, I'll go to design, I'll go to variants, I'll go to color. Since I know my font, my color palette is office, I'll select this and click. That's it. It is quite simple that if you want to change anything in terms of font and in terms of color globally, you can go to design, go to variants, and here you have font and you can find colors over here. Select the right theme and apply. Automatically it will change. Moreover, if you have certain more changes which are not been applied or not been changed, that you have to change it manually. I hope it is clear. Please like the video if you get something new to learn, and thank you for watching.